Hi guys, this is Zilla. I'm back again with another quick video, and today it's my review of the Klearlook matte finished wet application TPU S9 Plus screen protector. That was a bit of a mouthful. Now, what do you get in this? I will leave links where you can buy this from down below if you're interested. There are different types of screen protectors out there for the S9 Plus. Most of them are garbage, but this one, it comes with two of those screen protectors. It also comes with a back cover, which is like a semi-translucent carbon fiber look, which I'll show you in a second. I've already applied the screen protector to the S9 Plus, so I'll show you here. In here you get dust removal stickers, a squeegee with a bit of a microfiber material on the edge, wet wipe and a dry wipe. Nothing to write home about. This, which is pointless, and here's one of them. I'll try and bring in the focus. There we go. So you can see it's that kind of TPU. It's not glass. You can see here, if I turn the corner up, it's a wet application type one. I'm not going to show you how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. You get a little bottle of solution that you spray on it underneath the adhesive side when you want to apply it. And this is the clear skin, like a translucent carbon fiber, which I'm not going to put on because I don't really need to, if I'm honest. Just move that away. Now, I've already applied it and I've been testing it. It pretty much is easy enough to apply. It's probably my favorite wet application screen protector. It went on perfect, very easily. They recommend that you do it at night before going to bed and then leave it overnight. I haven't left it overnight. I applied it, it dried pretty quick. There was no bubbles in there either, if you notice. Even if there is, they say they'll disappear within a short period of time. But this is a matte screen protector, so basically the difference is this doesn't get fingerprinted as much as the shiny ones, but also there's not as much glare on it. You can see that. So what do you guys think of that down below? It is case friendly, as you can see. I've got this Spigen clear case over it without it lifting. Works perfectly. But that looks really nice. The one thing I would say is you get this kind of almost pixelated look on white backgrounds with this, but I can deal with that. I think this was about $7.99. As I said, I'll leave links in the description below. Use those links. Anyway, any questions? Leave them in the comments below. I'll get back to you. Hit the subscribe button down there and the notification bell icon. Thumbs up. Share this video on all your social media. And this is Zilla saying, take care. I'll see you all again real soon. And bye for now. Peace.